This is how you install Stable Diffusion. In Google, search for Stable Diffusion Web UI. Upon doing that, you'll come here to this. Now you click on that, scroll all the way down, well, not all the way down, I missed it, hold on, come on, where is it, that's the features, aha, there it is. See here where it says installation on Windows 10 and 11, you click on that. It will download the original version. Then you follow the instructions, step number 2, update. It'll update everything and download the rest of the prerequisites that you will need. It should come to about 6 or 7 gigs. And then finally you can run .bat, which will start the program up. For step 2, you will need the model for your animation to realistic project to work. So for this, you go into Google, type in Virt AI. I already got it in my history, so it's there, Virt AI. When you come to a page like this, click on this. Then you will come to this home page. Now type in real is tick, one word, and wait. Okay. Now you will have realistic vision, which is the best one. That's why it's on top. So if you click on this and you can download it. So let's get to the page first. There we go. And there's the download button for it. And the size, it's 2 gig in size. Now, once you have downloaded it, right? It'll be in your downloads folder. So you have to copy it from your downloads folder and go to where your SD Web UI folder is. And this is what you have to do. Click in on this, go to Web UI, click on that, go to Models, click on that, and then you right click on Stable Diffusion and you put Paste. And you paste all of your models in there. And that's it. That's how you install your models needed for your realistic, for your animation to realistic project. So once you've installed Stable Diffusion and you clicked on run.bat, this is what will happen. Your browser will open up and you will get the screen. And since you downloaded the model, if this program came with some models installed, you will have to click on the drop down and select Realistic Vision to be as your main model. As you can see, there's a refresh button here, which will update the list if you downloaded a number of models, but I told you to download Realistic Vision. So there it is for me, and I will have to go now to image, and if I want an animated image converted, I'll have to put it in here, and I need 2 extensions which are highly important. First extension, Image Ratio Locker. So what this does is when you click on it, right, you do this. So let's see, 960, whoops, Come on, 960, and it automatically locks it to a 16.9 ratio. Now this is an extension I had to download. That's extension number 1. The other extension you have to get is loopback scaler. And this is highly important. It's what makes all the difference. And I'm going to show you now how to get these two extensions. So you go to extensions, go to available. Now there's a link already here. Automatically, it should be here on its own. So click load from. Now first let's look for aspect. I said aspect. Once again, I am getting it wrong. ASPECT, show it what it means to me. ASPECT, yeah. Okay, now it's not showing up here for me because I already got it downloaded and installed. So let's unhide. I'm going to reload this again. Look for aspect again. Where is it? Where's it? There it is. SD ratio lock. And as you can see, I got it installed. Now when you click on the install button, it will make this, it'll install it. After it's done, this will just vanish. It'll just vanish. So that's what will happen. Then you look for scaler. S-C-A-L-E-R. Scaler. And look for loopback scaler. Once again, you click install, this whole entire thing will vanish. Right? Now, once they are vanished, you go to settings, go to apply settings, and then you hit reload UI. That's what happens when you go to image. You have your first extension here, your SD lock, and there you have your other extension, loopback scaler. Okay, once you have done every single thing, you have downloaded the models, you've downloaded the extensions, you now have to open up your program, go to image, click on this space, it'll be empty, click on it and paste your picture like how I have done. Now you have to go down to LCM, which is sampling method, and go to poly exponential. Go here to image ratio, change that to 16.9, then 960. Go here and change this to 0.1. Now go to script, loopback scaler, change this to match the scale on the top. Now let's go to add detail. Let's make it low. Do we want to scale the last image? Let's click that and say yes by checking it. Now generate and wait. Now what this model does, it beautifies the picture. So you will see her face changed drastically. It'll be more, well, this is ugly in my opinion, but it'll be more beautiful in this result here. Now, if you have two people in the picture close to each other or even touching each other, you will need to go to DPM++ 2M and select Keras. Then you must go to denoise strength and change this to 0.05. I won't be able to show you that now, but I can explain it to you like how I did. So that's all. Remember, for two people close, extremely close, DPM plus 2M, and here must be Keras. That is, what's that word? Compulsory for two people in the same picture. Now, if you want to make videos, you will have to decompile the videos into images. Then you will have to work with the batch command, which is somewhere here. Convert every image into reality here and then save them and recompile them. That's a different tutorial altogether. I have to practice it and then I will make a tutorial on how to turn a Vertimate video into reality. But that's going to be much later on when I perfect the situation. And there we go. As you can see, her face is changed. Some of the features, her fingers are off a little bit, they are wrong. But yeah, this is, she's far more beautiful than this image here. My laptop is a 4 gig VRAM laptop. Well, sorry, my graphics card, NVIDIA GeForce GTX 950M is a 4 gig VRAM graphics card. So I have no choice but to put this resolution because it cannot handle anything 1000 and above. I don't know what else to tell you now. So I'm going to remind you that remember, if you have two people, for example, embracing each other, you must choose DPM++ 2M and Keras and change this to 0.05, right? To that. If you have single person, like how I got in this example, change it to 0.1, LCM, polyexponential, and you will get a more beautiful result. Yeah, okay, so thank you for watching, liking, and subscribing. And hopefully in the next tutorial, I will show you how to make a video from animated to realistic. And yeah, thank you.